Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. I've been missing for a few days. Apologies. I've been busy with some personal stuff. My video editor also broke, so I had to get it fixed with some professional help. Thank you for everyone who checked on me. But today I'm here to completely compensate for my absence. I think this will be my second planner. I've created enough hype. Let's get into the video. We are going to look at the Vinci stationery planners today. Vinci Stationery is a very well-known brand in the bullet journal community in India, and they have some quality minimal products on their website. We are only going to look at their 2022 planners. If you are a bullet journalist or have seen bullet journals, you know that they have multiple planners that you use throughout the year because you have more space for daily pages. If you are a bullet journalist or have seen bullet journals, you will know that they have multiple journals that you use in a year because they keep more space for daily pages. So far, the planners that we have seen in my Plan With Me series have had multiple days in one page, which is great if you want to journal or if you only have a few things to do in a day. But if you're a multitasker like myself and manage work, home, parenting, as well as relationships, you will need one page a day at least to write, brainstorm, keep to-dos, etc. That's where this planner comes into the picture. I've spoken a lot about this planner. Now let's get into the video and see what's inside this planner. But wait a minute, before that, I want to let you know that the good people at the Vinci Stationery have sent over a code for my viewers that will give you a small discount. It is flashing on your screen right now, and it will be in the description box below as well. So now finally, without any further ado, let's get into the planner. This planner, as I mentioned earlier, will come in two books. As already mentioned, this planner comes with two books. For the first half of the year, the books come with this beautiful sun design, and the second half of the year, the book comes with this beautiful moon design. They call them the sky planner and the ocean planner. The artwork inside is in conjunction with the sky and the ocean theme respectively, which is, I think, a great addition. Let's see what's inside. This is the first page of both the books. Then you have the 2022 calendar. Okay, these are some videos of how the books will look like. Pretty. Very minimal, I must say. The first spread that you can see here is year in pixels. This is for 6 months. So this is one planner, and the next 6 months will be the next planner. Then we have the January artwork. Remember, the theme for this book is ocean. Then you have 6 habit trackers and a finance tracker. This page is the highlight for the planner for me. Each day has top 3 goals. I would prefer these goals to be on top here, but that's fine. This works as well. Then you have a to-do list, a notes section, and a dot grid space to doodle, draw, or to even stick stickers, whatever floats your boat. This will give you ample of space to list down your daily to-dos, thoughts, brain dumps, everything. Okay, these are some monthly artworks. Okay, this is a quick video of a few, actually all the monthly artworks. You may have to pause and see each month's artwork. Then we have a brain dump page. I'm assuming there'll be one page every month. And then you have one line a day. This is a very unique concept. This can be a gratitude page, a journal page. As per your liking, you can change this to whatever you need. Okay, this is the November artwork. Okay, that's the monthly grid. That is how the monthly grid will look like. And I see they have actually credited the artwork and the artists as well, which is great. Let's see if we have missed some details here. They have collaborated with 12 artists for the artwork, which I see more and more planners doing this year, which is a great addition. Okay, one page I didn't see is the weekly overview page. This would be extremely useful. So there is a weekly overview page as well. When I was planning to buy this planner, I wanted to specifically know what is the paper quality. So I DM'd the guys at Vinci Stationery, and they told me this is a 120 GSM. Um, so I so the paper quality they said is 120 GSM, which is great. I think you can easily color over this also, use markers, sketch pens, whatever that you can think of. So according to me, the quality is great. So according to me, who should get this planner? If you have too many tasks and multiple areas of your life which you need to be in control of, then this planner is for you. If you're constantly looking for more space in your daily planner, then this is for you. Now, how do I plan to use this planner? I plan to use this planner as my work planner. This will look very professional and in work environment. The daily pages will help me prioritize as well as it will have space to write enough for the day. This also would be extremely travel friendly as it is divided into two halves. One other thing that you can do is I saw the sky and the ocean planner are actually available separately as well. So you can first invest only in January to June planner and then decide whether this suits you or no, and then invest in the July to December planner. This also will be very useful if you have a major event coming up in your life, a major project that you're working for, or if you're getting married or something really large that is coming as a project your way, and you just need to plan for the next 6 months or less than that. The pages are quite minimal. This book can be used for decorations too. And since the paper quality is great, you can go crazy with stickers, with artworks, and whatnot. Finally, coming to the cost. The cost for this planner is 1100 rupees. They charge you 50 rupees for delivery. So the total cost for the planner would be at 1150 rupees. But if you use my code that the Vinci team has sent, you will get a little bit of discount. So please check the description box below for the discount code. And if you like this planner, please do let me know if you're going to buy it. All right, that is it from me for this video. Stay tuned for a lot of planner videos coming up in December. Bye now.